What's going on, YouTube? We got a 2002 Tahoe with the barn doors. Just replaced the tail lights. Even though Amazon said they won't fit, they fit perfect. And then went ahead and tapped in this LED bar, LED strip, my bad. Both sides. I only got it as a running light, but you can tap it into your turn signal. You can tap it into your turn signal, or your brake light, or something like that, whatever you want. Got red lights on the bottom, LED. Got the Viper alarm. And I did a work in progress, but I got the switch panel in, LED switches. Up there, over here, down there. Don't mind that wire right there. I gotta fix that. But yeah, it was fairly simple. But yeah. Fairly simple. I'm going to show you the progress I got going on so far. Put the catch can in. I know these Chevys like to burn oil. I checked it yesterday. There is some oil in there. Painted this black. Couple little things. I'm gonna fix that heater core, the heater connector for the system. Couple little things I got going. But yeah, this is my 2002 Tahoe. I'm gonna post a link for these tail lights. So they don't fit, but they fit perfect. And yeah, I'll try to post more videos.